Sometimes you know what you don't know, and sometimes you don't know what you don't know about purchasing an authorized user trade line. When you buy an authorized user trade line from a website to boost your credit scores, they typically keep you on the card for 45 days later, and then within 3 to 6 months, this impressive count is vaporized, deleted off your credit report. You must have an AU, an authorized user, on your credit report for at least 6 months to have it remain on your credit report for up to 10 years afterwards, and then after the 10 years, it gets removed from your account. Primary trade line versus authorized user. Both are legal. Authorized users are easy. Just get on someone's credit card with strong, timely credit, give the bank your name, your date of birth, and your SOCH, and ask for an additional card and years of backdated credit history onto your credit report. Don't use Amex though, they no longer backdated. Primary trade lines have risk. If you are added onto your Uncle Joe's $230,000 Maserati with only a $40,000 balance, it's great credit power. But what if your Uncle Joe dies and there's $40,000 still remaining as a balance? Who owes that money? You do. Are you on title? No, you're not on title. So you have a big problem. But just think about what it can do to your credit power. For more credit, debt, foreclosure, and more great tips, subscribe to the channel